Subscribe to Easy Learning TV for more fun educational videos and songs. Today, we're in Dinosaur Land. Are you ready to draw all our dinosaur friends? First, we need our handy-dandy magical rainbow marker. It has all the colors in the world. Next, we need our amazing easel. It'll give us something to draw our dinosaur friends on. That should be all we need. Let's go! First up, let's draw the sketch. Nice! Do you know what dinosaur this is? Now, let's color the eyes and nose. Nice work! Let's fill in the dino's body. We'll use the color red. Let's color in the stripes. Let's use green. Last, let's color his belly. All done! Whoa! It came to life! It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. That was dynamite! Let's get started on the next one. Sketch time! This one has 3 horns on its face. Can you guess what it is? Let's color the eyes and nose. Let's color the dots and the beak with dark green. So colorful! Now let's color in the body. Let's use green. Last, let's do the horns with yellow. All done! Look at it go! It's a Triceratops. That one looked amazing. Let's keep going. Let's start with the sketch. This one looks fast. Can you guess what dinosaur it is? Let's color the eyes. They look super sharp. Now let's fill in the body with yellow. Let's add some orange stripes to make it stand out. Awesome! Bye-bye! It's a Velociraptor. Let's keep going. Time to draw another dino friend. Time for the sketch. Whoa! This one has a super long neck and tail. What dinosaur is it? Let's color the eyes. Nice and gentle. Let's add some blue spots and spikes to make it fun. Let's color his belly. Amazing! Now let's fill in the long body with light blue. All done. There it goes. It's a Diplodocus. So big and friendly. You're doing awesome. Let's draw another. Let's draw the sketch. This one has big plates on its back. Can you guess what dinosaur it is? Let's start with the eyes. Great! Now let's color the body with green. Let's make the plates orange. So bright and cool. All done. Look at it go! It's a Stegosaurus. Great job, artist. Next up, let's draw the sketch. This one has big wings. Do you know what dinosaur this is? Let's color the eyes and beak. Great job. Now, let's fill in the body. Let's use orange. Then we'll color the wings. Let's use yellow. Nice and smooth. All done. It's a pterodactyl. Look at it soar! You're doing amazing! together. Let's start the sketch. This one has a big sail on its back. What do you think it is? Let's color the eyes first. Nice work. Now let's color in the body. Let's make the sail bright orange. Wow, that looks cool. All done. Bye-bye. It's a Spinosaurus. That was cool. You did such a great job drawing all of our dino buddies. They're having so much fun in the jungle. Wow! See you next time in Dinosaur Land.